Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to create this lovely passion twist style. So if you want to see the rest of the video, do stay tuned. Yeah man. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and of course vlogmas day 2 right here on the Jamaican Gal channel. As you can see, I've gone in already and I've done the back of my hair. Now don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and if you have not yet subscribed, then what are you doing? Click the subscribe button, join the family, join the Jamaican Gal family. Don't forget to share with a friend, share with a family member. Yeah. Now I've gone in already and I've done the back of my hair, so I'm gonna start doing the front right away. So I'm just gonna grab my crochet hook, then my wax or edge control. You're gonna need a comb, some ear oil, some hair moisturizer, some hair accessories, and elastic bands to tie the end of the twist. Now I'm just gonna loose the root of my hair so that the hook can go through easily and that the hair can pull through easily. Now you're gonna loop the hair onto the hook, pull through. You're gonna pull one side through. You're gonna divide your hair into two so it can be blended in properly. Then you're gonna add your wax on the hair with your hair oil, and then you're gonna twist it together. Now you can twist loosely, you can twist tightly, however you prefer to twist the hair. It doesn't matter, as long as you twist it, it comes out the same way, or I think it comes out the same way. Then afterwards, after I finish twisting the hair, I'm gonna add an elastic band to the end, and that's coming up soon. Alrighty, see, we're gonna add the elastic band to the end of the hair, and then we're gonna grab our scissors and we're just gonna cut it off. See, now that's the look I'm going for. So anywho guys, go ahead and enjoy the video. I don't want to be talking too much. Now enjoy. Alright guys, so this is how the hair is looking right about now, and I'm loving it. But before I finish the video, I'm just gonna go in with some hair accessories and play around with it so it'll fit my face properly. Right, as you can see, I'm doing that right about now. So I'm gonna grab this gold accessories. I was thinking about putting I'm gonna go with plain gold, and then yeah, so I'm just gonna add this to the hair, come back and do my edges, and then that will be that I think that will be the end of the video. Alrighty guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and of course drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle, because I'm loving it.